Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
And then how many solar panels will y'all clean in a year? Is that something homeowners are generally concerned about, or are they up there and they just forget about them?
We do clean them. We clean them quite a bit. We even see, we have, people usually have around 20 to 30 panels on their home. But we get out there on slanted, regular panels. A lot of commercial buildings have them as well up top on their buildings. But yeah, it can really improve your intake of energy there, getting it at 20 to 30%. Getting out there and getting that debris that's on there, because we have a lot of dust out here and it covers them pretty good, and the bird droppings and things like that.
Is there some sort of safety procedure you have to do before you clean those solar panels? Like shut off the electricity so you don't.
No, unfortunately you don't. They're fine. And we use our pure water, so you just don't want to leave hard water on those. Obviously, because any type of anything that's going to prevent the sun to get to them, like that. So we use pure water. We scrub them with nice soft nylon brushes, and you don't have to turn anything off. Everything's safe for us to get up there with our water-fed brushes and clean them.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.